Hey Patricia, my name is Max. I was on the phone with one of your receptionists earlier. They said you would be the best one to send this video to. All I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback. So that being said, let's jump right in. So the general gist of this video is to show you guys the 3 simple things that you can actually start doing to your website in order to help it rank in Google for select key terms that are being searched every month. And I know that these terms are being searched every month because I use this software called Ahrefs. It shows me that there's 420 searches every month for these select key terms. And so a general rule of thumb with Google is that about 5 to 10% of this call volume of the search volume turns into calls. So even if we're just playing it conservatively, all right, we'll say 5%. That's still an extra 21 calls a month just by you guys implementing the next 3 things. So the first thing is content on the home page. So if we were to just copy everything that you see here, including your images and how they're saved, and we throw it into this word counter, shows me that y'all have right over 300 words. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page. And the reason being is Google looks at your website as a contributing factor to their platform. So the bigger your website is, the bigger their platform gets. And then they will reward you by ranking you for whatever your content is relevant to. So if you guys had 1,500 to 2,000 words and you targeted these exact key terms, Google will rank you for exactly what your customers are searching for. Just to kind of compare you to your competitor, just so that you see how easy it would be to rank over them. We just copy everything that you see here and we throw it in this word counter. They only have 1,100, so getting 1,500 to 2,000, you'd easily outbeat your competitor. Second thing I wanted to show you is backlinks. All a backlink is basically just one website linking to y'all's website, which passes power and relevance. So if we take this URL here, throw it into Ahrefs, it shows us the back end of your page. As you can see, you have 18 links coming from 8 other websites. So you have a little bit of power. This right here is how much Google trusts these links. And so there's no trust at all from Google. And that's because only 13% of these links are actually passing power. The way that you can increase this is by taking this homepage link right here and putting it on really relevant sources like plumbing blog posts or other home improvement websites that have good metrics. And then that link is going to be able to share that power from that relevant source back to your website. So just to kind of show you again, what you guys are up against. They have 34 links coming from 10 websites. A little bit more power than you guys. This would be super easy to outbeat because you guys aren't that far away from them. So the third and final thing I wanted to show you is just how to get in this map pack. That's through Citations. All a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, Facebook, or the BBB. And what that does is it verifies that you are a real local business and you're not just another website on the internet. And then once you get more citations than these guys, then you can start ranking in this map pack. And that's just really important because it brings in about 25% more calls than these organic listings here. So that's really all that I have for you guys today. I hope this was informative and helpful. All I ask in return is a little bit of feedback. You can either reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. So thank you so much for your time, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.